Let's go!
Alright, so today I'm going to be making the frame for the damn kitchen counter. I've already got it marked out how high it needs to be right here. It's going to go across right there and be under this caulk line right here. I still have to take out those screws and then come around to right here. Well, I'll have post coming from up there to wherever it ends. So I'll be doing that, as well as putting in a little divider right here. Ignore this line right here. This is the correct one. A little divider so I can store stuff like right in here and keep it separate from there, and then also have doors right here so I can get to the damn water heater and furnace easier. I need to put those wires back on, but I forgot which ones go to which. I gotta look at that video again, but yep, this is what I'm doing. Oh, forgot to mention, I'm using this right here to get the angle I need to cut. As based on how I'm using this, it looks like it's about a 20 degree. Well, it's 160 degrees, but I need to make a 20-degree cut. So it runs along this line right there, that diagonal line. Alright, here it all, well, I shouldn't say all is, but at least the very start. That's how we're looking right now, so, yep. TTFN, ta-ta for now. Alright, back at it again today. What I'm gonna do... Let's put a board about right here to the wall. Come on over and then put another board here over. And put a board in between here to there and then to this other one right there. Then I'd like to create like a just a door so I can get to the furnace and water heater better. So I'll, put another post like right here, and then join those two, and then probably make a smaller. I don't know. Maybe come to about here and frame that out so it's like a smaller door, and then from there, yeah, that'll be it for right now. Alright, got to a stopping point here. Yeah, I'm not going to put anything in between here to there, or from here to here, until I have a good idea of what the sink looks like. So tomorrow I'll just pick back up, putting a 2x2 from here to here, and then from here to here, and then from there to there. So that's it for today. TTFN, ta-ta for now. Is it recording?
It's recording.
For real?
For real.
It sure is. So I've put all the metal hose clamps back on the furnace, so they'll stay in place, and then once I get the stove back on, I won't have to like go under and rearrange everything, because that'd be really annoying. And then I put another piece right here so the stove can, I've got an actual square to make the countertop for the stove. Now I'm just going to come in here and make something for the stove to sit on, and then I'll put the stove on there.
There's the stove.
Oh, there's the stove. Okay. And then, yep. Cut! Alright, so these are going to be the boards right here I'm going to use to make the little top for the damn stove to sit on. So yeah. I'm going to cut it out and put it all together tomorrow. TTFN, ta-ta for now. Alright, made this temporary stand so I could fit the sink up. Like so. Now I just need to figure out a way to, I don't know. I kind of made a place for the sink to sit. I mean, it's still got some wiggle room and it can be pushed down, but like, it'll work for now. And then I'll use the countertop to fucking really seal it in there. So, yeah, now I've got to put the fucking faucet there.